Hey there, fellow kitchen ninjas! Welcome back to the Dancing Zebra Dojo. I'm your host, PhoebeChef, and today we're stepping into the delicious world of teppanyaki sauces. These aren't just any sauces, folks. These are the game changers that can transform your grilled meals into a feast fit for a shogun. Ready to get saucy? Let's dive in. First up, we've got the classic Yakiniku sauce. Let's get mixing. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, sugar, mirin, ginger, garlic, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Stir it up until it's singing with flavor. Now take a little taste. Need more kick? Add a bit more soy sauce. Too tame? A pinch more sugar will do the trick. This sauce isn't just for tasting, though. Marinate your beef, chicken, or tofu in it, or brush it on while grilling. It'll give your food a caramelized, mouth-watering glaze that's just irresistible. Next, let's whisk up some Mirin soy ginger sauce. Mix rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, ginger paste, shallot, and lemon juice. Heat it up, let it simmer, then cool it down. This zesty potion is perfect for drizzling over grilled seafood or veggies. Just apply it right before serving to keep that fresh, tangy kick. Now, who's ready for some teppanyaki garlic butter? Combine whipped butter, soy sauce, garlic, and a dash of black pepper. Mix it well, then chill it until you're ready to use. This rich garlicky butter is a dream on grilled lobster tails or prawns. Slather it generously for a flavor that's out of this world. And for those who like a bit of spice, let's not forget our simple mustard sauce. This one's custom blend by yours truly. Whisk together mustard powder, soy sauce, vegetable oil, and garlic. Adjust the spice to your liking and boom! You've got a sauce that adds a zing to just about anything. Remember, the key to these epic sauces is balance. Adjust the flavors to suit your taste and you'll be mastering the art of hash blackstone teppanyaki magic in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those grills sizzling and your knife ready for more kitchen ninja adventures. Happy grilling!